First of all, is the party on that cruise ship called off or is it still on? Several questions that are still being raised. Sumit Chandar, who is the advocate, joining us for more on that. Mr. Sumit, here's the court that's granted the NCB one-day custody of the three accused. We know that they found enough sufficient evidence to show that three of them who have been arrested had drugs on them, maybe not enough to sell, but enough to consume and of course, enough to ponder on who's their supplier, because their WhatsApp chats also reveals that they could be in regular touch with these suppliers who've been regularly supplying them with drugs. Where do you see this case headed?
See, there are various aspects that needs to be seen here. Now, first of all, in whose possession it was found, what evidence does the police have on this? What is the quantity, most importantly, is to be seen here. Now let's see, as per the arrest memo, it was Aryan Khan was found with just 13 grams of cocaine. That's what the arrest memo says. Whereas the commercial quantity is actually 100 grams. It was 5 grams of mephedrone, whereas 50 grams is what constitutes a commercial quantity. 21 grams of charas. What is the commercial quantities? 1 kilogram. So there is a world of difference in what was found, what it is. So various aspects have to be seen, and accordingly the police is going to ask for a custodial interrogation. If they're asking, there has to be some basis for that. Tomorrow when they apply for the bail before the regular court, it's a Monday. So let's see where the courts take it. But these are the aspects which will be considered by the court while deciding on the bail which will be applied by Aryan Khan tomorrow.
Well, based on that, now we're looking at a large event, a scale, a magnitude of over 1,000, 1,500 odd people who were on that cruise ship. It boiled down to 3 of them being arrested. Of course, Aryan being the poster boy of this entire episode. They've been deboarded and now brought to the NCB office for checks. But while that said, it appears that the party on that cruise is still on. There could be a lot more to dig out from that cruise. How did the NCB allow that party to take place in the first place? How did they allow that ship or that cruise to take off?
Navila, see, a party happening on a cruise is one. Whether they were arrested inside the cruise, to my understanding, they were not arrested while the party was going on. They were arrested before they entered the cruise ship. Now, just because there are some people, let's take it without a bias in mind. If there are people entering with drugs into a cruise ship and they are stopped beforehand, why should the cruise ship itself be penalized to whatever normal activity they were doing? However, it is the duty of the police to investigate the matter. If they feel there is an involvement of the cruise owners, of course that things will change there. But I don't think that is the case so far.
Well, do stay with us, Sumit. It is shocking that the cruise party is still on even as we speak, while you have 3 of them who've been arrested, including Aryan Khan, for possessing some of those drugs. What more could be found on that cruise ship? How did that cruise ship really be allowed to take off with that many on board, even as the NCB had already suspected that a massive rave party was to...